What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Davo coming to y'all boys with another YouTube video. I just realized, bro, because I just got in the GT5 and I'm like, bro, I haven't shot a video in this GT5 in a minute, y'all. So, hey, we go shoot a video rushing from the airport back to the crib, man, because I got to go back to the motherfucking crib, man. So, I'm going to give y'all boys maybe, this video might be about like 10 minutes or something. I don't know, but it's going to be pretty quick. I should get out and show y'all boys this joint. Shouldn't I? And it's been raining like a mug, bro. So I'm finna park it. This dude get off my freaking bumper, bro. Fuck on my name, man. Bro, these airport drivers is crazy. Finna give y'all boys a little view, though, of the car real quick. Something light, man. Something light Recaros, of course. I don't know why a lot of people hate the freaking Recaros, man. Stop hating. Hi, it's gonna be a wonderful day today in the neighborhood. Hold on, let me boost this motherfucker up, bro. I need a motherfucking booster seat to sit in this motherfucker, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's been raining all freaking day, bro. It literally just stopped raining. Boost this motherfucking seat up. Give y'all boys a better view. Hey, this gotta be one of the most scariest cars because this joint is so fast. And it's like the common Mustang. Everybody in the world, man, Mustang. Gonna crash that bad. I don't know if this gonna turn into a rainy POV or rushing back to the crib, because I'm barely rushing. You just can't rush when it look like this outside. Tornado storm. I'm finna say turtle storm. Pre-freaking tornado storm, man. These storms is crazy, bro. My lights done been out for the past freaking 3 days, bro. I cannot live like that. I ain't gonna lie. Make sure that y'all hit that like button, man. Stop playing around. Off the wake up, man. It's 7. Let me see what time it is. 7:45, shorty. Off the motherfucking wake up, man. This is what I do off the wake up. Early morning. Early morning POV. Look at all that wetness kicking up. It's like a mother going to punch it, but is it worth crashing this $80-something thousand car? I don't know, boys. Is it? Let me know in the comments. Is it worth it? God, that was fucking mean, bro. That was a mean downshift. Hold up, y'all. I gotta make sure this motherfucking traction all the way on. I got this joint in track mode. I gotta change these freaking modes, bro. Damn, I don't know how to change the mode. Come on, man. Come on, Davo. You gotta lock the fuck in, shorty. You have to lock in, Davo. Look at that. Them Lexus all-wheel drive, ain't they? Ooh, black man in the C8. Black man in the C8. Nah, though, y'all. Hold on, let me roll this window up. I just low-key wish that it was, like, super dry out today. If it was super, like, look at the freaking sky, man. It looked like we in freaking Gotham City right now. Let me know how y'all feel about these seats too. To each his own. I just feel like, bro, if the car has an option for bucket seats, like, you gotta get the bucket seats. Like, there's no more, like, man, stop betting. You a man or you a female? You a man or a bitch? You could barely even see the city, bro. These damn clouds. Them new Teslas don't be looking that bad. Them Tesla Model Ys. Light little pool. Light little pool for the birds. Bro, I look, you want to go to that Chicago and Miami game. Y'all just seen that? Bro, that's damn it gonna be messy. Last time playing in the city, man. I gotta go. You know how y'all rocking with this color combination too? That blue hitting off that red. Yeah, I know I usually be having it like purple. I forgot what other color, like purple and green, I think. But I can't even remember what other color I used to be having it. It might have been like purple and red or something. Y'all can't even see the city. Barely. Try to zoom in. Barely. Can't see nothing. All the top of them joints blurred out. IRL. Back to the trenches. I just took my sons and all of them to they first. Well, my uncle took us, but I drove them, nigga, young nigga, to their first baseball game too. Sox game, of course. We don't do Cubs, man. And it's crazy because I never been to no Cubs game ever. That's crazy. I just feel like the Sox stadium is close, bro. Who finna go up north to see a motherfucking Cubs game? Light little pool for the birds. This is just for the birds. That's just for the birds. We still love our life. Ooh, that motherfucker just jerked. Bitch, I know you see this motherfucker. She there to poke her head out the window. And they got chopped out by a mirror. Looking at this joint. It's so freaking shady outside, bro. Drop y'all boys down low to the floor. Ended off at my beautiful mansion. show y'all my beautiful mansion, man. I'm young too, y'all, bro. I'm only 25. I think I'm 24. I'm only 25 though, man. Slow this motherfucker down, neighbor. Somebody had commented on one of my Instagram posts too and was saying, bro, you done unlocked the freaking American Muscle Infinity Stones. Cat ZL1 LE. And his name, look, Hellcat Jailbreak ZL11 LE. Gt500. What else? What else is left? I don't want like a Corvette or nothing, bro. I just don't really. I feel like the closer that I go to a Corvette is a Camaro. Them Corvettes, I don't know. But you just never know, bro. You just never know with your boy Davo, man. Your boy Davo could get a Corvette next month, always saying that you don't like something, always getting it. I know how I am. Talking in third person. But I'm gonna let y'all boys know when I'm at the motherfucking crib, shorty. Just made it to the Davo Mansion. We just made it. The kitty is buried away, man. She's buried away. But make sure to drop boys that like button, that sub button, man. Being boy Davo. I'm out, gang. Peace.